Okay, sorry for that. Actually, the recording was not on. So let's start again. So yeah, so what you have to do is you have to go to busonline.com and then you have to click on the login and then you have to go to Tradetron Algo. So if you haven't created your Tradetron account, all you have to do is you have to click on the sign up, provide your details over here. If you already have your any social media account, then you can directly log in from that as well. So I'll log into the account. So we have logged into Tradetron account. Now I want to tell you that Tradetron offers two very big solutions for any trader or investor. The first, the most important one is anyone who wanted to start with algo trading. So far, it has been very complex setup that one has to deal with. So one has to go for the getting their logic coded if they are not a programmer. Then there is a data feed subscription. Then there is a VPS subscription. Also, there are there is software download and all the setups that in order to run the algo trading for anyone to do that. So all that hassle, all that complexity, now Tradetron has solved it. We have been able to solve this particular pain point of the all the trader and investor. So if you already have your logic without coding, you can build that strategy on a platform and you can choose from building the strategy right from the option Greeks, technical indicators, or if you have any pair trading. So all that is possible. This is the first solution that we have been able to give to all the traders and investor. The second biggest solution is, let's say if you do not know what to trade, which like instrument to trade, what should be the risk management, when to trade, when to take a stop loss or exit. So we have something called as marketplace as well. So in marketplace, you will find strategies of the other strategy creators who have used a platform to offer their logic, and you can straight away subscribe to the strategies and you can get the algo execution in your Butson account. I'll show you how one can subscribe to a strategy, and I'll also show you the live execution and how one can do that. So prior to that, I'll just talk a little bit more on this marketplace page, how you can navigate on this. So let's say if you want to search a strategy related to MCX, so you can just type MCX over here. In case if there is any strategy related to MCX, it will show over here, or any of the strategy which has the MCX word in that. Or let's say if you want to search on cash, so it will show all the cash based strategy over here. Similarly, you can sort the strategy based on minimum fees, max subscribers, minimum capital, then tags, exchanges. Then also there are strategies which are free strategies. Then there are paid strategies also available. So you can sort any of the strategies from the marketplace based on the filters that we have given on the left hand side. So let's say if you want to know more about what this strategy is all about, so all you have to do is you have to click on this strategy name, and then you will see how many strategies, how many users have deployed this particular strategy live in their account, and how many are the subscribers, who is a strategy creator. Let's say if you have, after reading all this description which has been given by the creator, you have further more questions, then you can just click on this message icon and you can type your questions over here and you can send it to the creator. So they'll reply to you whatever your question is. Similarly, you can also see the details of exchange and how much capital is required, subscribers, and you can also see the statistics. So this is the statistics of the TradeTron paper deployment and paper trading, and no, one cannot, like anyone or the strategy creator or anyone at TradeTron cannot manipulate this particular graph. This is based on the actual status of the deployment of TradeTron, and you can see the PNL month wise. You can see the statistics as well. So you get enough information to decide on how the strategy is all about and how it looks like. Also, you can read other subscribers, the feedbacks and everything. So you can take a judgment from that as well. Similarly, you can, once you understand about this strategy, you can go ahead and check other strategies as well on the marketplace in a similar way, and then you can have a consolidated view that which strategies perform how, and like what is the underlying instrument, and also what is the risk appetite, how much is the capital required. Based on that, then you can make a final judgment or sorting of your requirement, and then you can select the strategy. Now, once the strategy selection is done on the marketplace, let's say now you want to make subscribe to that strategy. So prior to that, I'll just talk a little bit about how you can add Basan broker in your TradeTron account. So what I have to do is I'll click on this Basan and I'll go to this broker and exchange. Now over here it's already added, so I'll delete this first. I'll start the process again. So what I have to do is, or I have to click on add broker. From this list, I'll select Basan. You will see it's very simple to connect with Basan. It's just all you need is provide the details of your client code over here. So and in place of token, just put any random number or just put a space bar over here and click on save. Now, once this is done, you will get this link in front of you. Just click on this link. So now this has been already been authenticated because I have the login. So normally it asks you for the client ID. I'll just let me just do it. So normally it will ask you a client ID and password. So you put that and also ask you the PIN number. So once you do that, you will get this page success. So now you can see, go to broker and exchange, and it will like you can see the last updated is right now. The timing is this. So this is now authenticated. Now, if I want to deploy any of the strategy, I can now take that strategy live in my account. So I'll just show you one particular strategy. So this is one strategy which is made on crude oil. So I'll just subscribe to this strategy.
Dinesh, do you need one more account ID just to demonstrate, or that's fine?
That's fine, actually. If you want me to show that, I can open in an incognito mode and do that.
That is pretty simple. It just asks for the username and password. So I think we can go ahead. No.
Yeah, just I mean, like it's a username and password will be asked, and the PIN number, which is a normal credentials. And once that is given, I'll just show it 1 minute. If in case
Dinesh, in third tab, that application is logged in. You just log off from there. You will get it.
Sorry.
In the third tab, cache application is already logged in for the BL200. I think you just log off over there. You will get it. It will ask for the username and password when you are clicking on authentication.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
You just log off from here. You just log out. No, don't close the application. Don't close the tab. If you close,
got it.
Yeah. 24-hour session will be there.
So I'll just log out from there, and then it will come. Okay, got it.
It's cash.basanonline.com. Now you close and do it.
So now when I click on this, yeah. So now it's asking me So I'll put this. So this is how it is done. So you will be asked three details only after you click on that link. One is your ID, password, and the PIN number, and you're done. Your broker is mapped. So now all you have to do is now whatever the strategies that you have selected, that you can straight away now deploy in Buzz account. So I'll show you how it is done. So let's say this strategy we have subscribed right now is going to just buy one crude oil contract, and it will exit after 1 minute. So I'll go to I'll click on the strategies, then I'll click on my strategies. Now in my strategies, there are two options. One is the created and subscribe. So whatever the strategy you have created, it will show over here, and the subscribe strategy, it will show over here. So all these are subscribe strategy. So this is the strategy that I'll be deploying. So I'll click on deploy. Now when I click on deploy, I've been asked the option. So first is the multiplier. So in multiplier, basically, let's say this particular strategy will take only one lot. But let's say if you have an account size of 10 lakh, 50 lakh, or whatever, and you want to take the multiple lots whenever the signal is generated, so you can just select the multiplier over here. So whenever the signal is generated, you want to take 5 lots, that is also possible. Then we provide you 4 types of execution. The first one is the live auto. So in live auto, there is no manual intervention is required. All these signals will be traded automatically. So entry, exit, stop loss, target, everything will be traded automatically. There is no manual intervention required. Live auto one click is whenever the signal is generated, it will show you the message of proceed in front of you on a deployed page. When you click on proceed, only then the trade will be taken in the broker account. That is in Buzz account. And then there is a live offline. Let's say you don't want any execution to be there automatically. You want every time manually you want to place the order, but whenever the signal is generated, you want it to be notified via SMS, email, WhatsApp, or call. So you can deploy it as a live offline, and whenever the signal is generated, you will be notified, and you can decide on manual execution. And the fourth one is the paper trading. In paper trading, you can, without risking real money, you can test the strategy and you can see the performance of the strategy, and then you can make it live as in when you get a confidence in that. So right now I'll just select live auto, and on the option I'll get Buzz. So since we have added, so make sure that you add your broker first, and then you can take the strategy live. So you will once you add it, you will see the option of Buzz, and I'll click on deploy. So now you can see the position is already taken in this. So now if I'll go and log in, you can see this crude oil has been bought, and you can see the timing also 16:46:43. And over here also you can see that is 4:46:42. So now this trade has already been fired, and you can see the status, which is a live enter. So it is that fast. So this particular position is already taken over here. You can see the one lot of this is already. Now after 1 minute, it will automatically exit also. So if you want to pause this strategy, you can pause the strategy over here. If you want to exit this position, so it can even exit. So let's say if I click on exit over here, it will be exited as well. So I'll just refresh it once. And I'll click over here. and click on exit. So now it shows exit pending. It is exited. So I'll see over here. I'll refresh this page. See, it is exited. And you can see in the orders as well. Timing. So here, it has bought one, 1648.33, and exactly on that time you will see over here at 1646.42 and 1648.32. So it is that fast. So anyone who is looking for a very fast execution and like without any manual intervention, you yourself have seen that in front of you that it's very much possible. And now you can take any of the strategy live in your account, and you can either subscribe from the marketplace or you can create your own strategy. Now you can pause this strategy if you want. If it is in already active mode, you can download the trade data. You can reactivate. If I click on reactivate, it will again take the position. Also, it will show the.
Sorry to interrupt, Dinesh, can you please elaborate also on like the type of order that is going? Like it's just MIS order or delivery or carry forward. It's based upon the strategy. Can you please elaborate on that as well?
Sure. So right now you can place the NRML order or the MIS order. So you can take a positional strategy also or intraday strategy, but cover order and bracket order is not possible right now to create and execute on TradeTron as of now. But MIS order and NRML order is possible. So if you have this intraday strategy and with a less margin, then you can select the MIS as an execution, and it will execute based on that, and it will cover the intraday itself. Okay, so let's say after some time, like you want to change the multiplier. I don't want to execute only one lot after testing. I can change the multiplier from the multiplier page itself. And this counter that you are able to see right now. So let's see over here. As you can see, this is a counter. So this counter is basically nothing but when the status goes from active to exited, that is one counter. And I can check the notification log. I can check the download. I can download the data as well on this. Now we also provide on TradeTron. Let's say if you have your own strategy and you want it to be the signals to be shared with your clients or your family member or your friends. So let's say if you have a small group where you want to like share the strategy signals as well. So that is also possible. So all you have to do is you have to make your strategy public, and whenever the signal is generated, whoever is following that strategy, it will be fired in all the accounts. So even that is possible. On dashboard, you will be able to see the basic features of what you already get on Bussun. So you will be able to see the market watch, positions, what has been the order book, and also the notification log. And you can manage your subscriber. Let's say if you want to like give it to your clients and you want to manage it for your clients, so you can definitely make your strategy public and you can manage your subscribers. You can broadcast messages if you want, if any important message that you want to send, or you daily basis any levels, and you can monetize your strategy. So TradeTron allows you to monetize in two ways. One is either you can keep it as a fixed fee, or you can keep a variable fee, or you can keep both fixed fee and variable fee percentage. So if you keep a variable fees, then whatever the individual basis, whatever the PNL that has been NAV has been calculated based on that, the invoice amount will be generated, and then you can the user can send it to their clients for payment. Similarly, you will get a bird eye view of all the strategies when you click on report. Let's say right now over here, there are only 2 strategies. But if I want to like test 5, 7, 10, 25 strategies, and I want to see out of that strategy, which strategy has performed really well. So you will get a bird eye view on the portfolio level, and also individual day wise if you want to see. So even that also is possible. So you can check it over here as well. And I'll show you about the notification. So as I mentioned that, let's say whenever the any trade happen or anything new position is taken, you want it to be notified via WhatsApp, call, email. So I can just click on that and I can click save. So whenever the next time the trade will be occurred, it will be notified by all these things. So you have all these options available. Similarly, you can also create your own strategy, which will be explained by Mr. Akshay Pai in short time. I'll just talk about little more details on the how one can get this more other features available. So you can read more about a platform or by just checking our FAQs, or you can check our videos as well. And if you have your third party signal generation tool as well, let's say if you already have a strategy outside in AmiBroker or Python or like TradingView, even that you can connect with our platform and you can use it for execution. Now all this, as I mentioned already, that in market, whenever you check for this algo related solution, it is a very costly thing for any trader or who is just starting for algo trading. So the initial investment for many of us before has been very costly for any trading related solution that if you are going and searching in the market. But TradeTron is not even like it's giving the best of everything what is available in the market and at a very reduced price, so that user can make a maximum use of it. Now the best thing right now what for all the Basant client is that you all you have to do to test a system and take the strategy, all you have to do is right now is open an account with Basant. Okay, you have to just go to this, open your account over here, and then you have to click on this TradeTron algo and open or you sign up for the TradeTron account. Once you do that, you can get in touch with the Basant team, and they will give you a first month as a free coupon that you can test this platform for the execution. So for any user, whoever, I mean, like for all the participants, it is absolutely a great deal because for you it is a zero cost in terms of you are getting free account to open with Basant, and at the same time free sign up and the first month to try this particular platform, excellent platform, for free. So without any downside, you get to test all these things, and you can test and you can you can take the execution in your Basant account and you can test it. Now the costing is like once the features that you get, it also improves with the price. So let's to start with, you in a free account you can test one strategy on a paper trading or a live offline or live auto one click, and you will get a notification via email. Once you become a paid member, in that case you will be able to deploy 5 strategies. So these 5 strategies can be either from the marketplace or your own creation or combination of both. You will get 1 minute condition checking, you will get a real-time beta feed, and 10 backtest will be allowed, and you will also get live auto execution. That means without any manual intervention you will be able to execute all the trades in your Basant account, and you can completely automate that. So that is possible, and you will can enable all the notification or email, WhatsApp, SMS, phone call. Then we have one more higher plan which we have recently introduced, that is the Retail Plus plan. So the benefit that you get out of this is that obviously you will get more number of deployment and more number of backtests. At the same time, you will get a continuous check. So what is the difference between 1 minute and continuous is basically, let's say if you are running a strategy which require a condition check of 3 seconds or 4 seconds, in Retail plan that check will happen after 1 minute. Wherein in Retail Plus plan, it will happen once the cycle is completed. So anyone who is looking for a very intraday kind of strategy, it is always recommended to go for the continuous check, wherein the price fluctuation on a very shorter term basis can be captured, and you will get also 25 backtest, and obviously all other features of live auto and notification, all that will be there. Now, if you are someone who wants to use this platform for not only for your trading but also for your clients or a family member or your friends, then what you have to do is you have to go for the portfolio manager plan, where you will pay 5,000 rupees per month, and you will be able to make 5 strategies public, and you will be able to deploy 25 strategies simultaneously, and you will get 50 backtests, unlimited all the subscribers. So there is no limit. You can keep 10 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers. There is no additional cost to that. The cost will be 5,000 only in that case. But the criteria over here is whoever subscribe to your strategy, even if they want to take the execution in their Busn account, they have to be a paid customer of TradeTron also. So they have to pay at least minimum 1,000 rupees in that case. Then there is a 20% profit sharing, also 20% revenue sharing with the strategy creator. So what happens is, let's say the portfolio manager is charging 2,000 rupees to their clients. Of that, 20% will be taken by the TradeTron. So out of that 2,400 will be taken by the TradeTron, and 600 will be given back to the strategy creator. And again, you will get all the other features. And if you're someone who are having a huge client base and don't want any restriction, and you want a best of TradeTron platform, then you have to, like, you can definitely go for 15,000 plan, where you will get unlimited private strategy creation, unlimited deployment, unlimited public strategies, and there is no sharing of any revenue with the strategy creator. So if you already have a good base of client, then this is the best plan that you can go for. Without any restriction, you are getting best of TradeTron. So this is the overall, you can see the pricing. It's been, and if you go for the higher duration, then the price obviously reduces. So you can choose as per that. And obviously, to start with, as I mentioned, the criteria and what like for all the clients, what Busn has taken the initiative to make their client and give that just an excellent product to their clients for algo trading. So I think nobody should miss on that. And you all can open the account, and you can take this TradeTron account as well, and you can try and see it. And as I mentioned, there's no downside in that. So
also, can we see some history on the strategy that has already been executed in last 1 month and their performance, so that one can decide which strategy to opt according to their available capital? So do you keep any statistics on those basis, like as per strategy and the history of that particular strategy, say Penguin strategy, or maybe we are doing some strategy? So can we see what was the performance last month, so that before subscribing, I know that this kind of output is been available?
Yes, we do have. So, but you can see over here. So I'll share this link for in the chat, so that everyone can check this, and everyone can make a judgment by themselves on how it is. So let me just share it. So I have shared this link. So this particular strategy stats is basically, it will give you what is the performance of the public strategies on TradeTron. So you can check over here what has been the return. You can go to, all you have to do is click on this link, and you have to check. Let's say if I have to click on this link and see what is the performance. So here it is. So right now the performance is like this. It is as per the August month, obviously. So all you have to check on not only that the stats, but also how long it has been undeployed and other things. So this is what we have been able to do, is that we have been given the report card of the performance of the August month. Similarly, we have done for the July month as well. So this is for the August month, as you can see right now. And also, if anyone wants to see the strategy, so normally how we have filtered the strategy on the marketplaces based on the live deployment. So as you can see, this particular strategy has a maximum deployment of 173 live trading. Similarly, we have a next strategy which is of 93 deployment. So we have been very transparent in like which users are preferring which strategy. So obviously, when you see the numbers which is high, that means the users are making a lot of money in that, and they are sticking with that strategy. So one can identify from that. That is one way, or you can just click on the individual strategies, and then you can check the details and what information that strategy creator is providing to the user. And even if that is not sufficient for making a decision, the best way is to directly reach out to them. Just drop a message, whatever your concern is, whatever your requirement is, and once they address it, you can just take it further from there. Second advices will be that you can try and see some of the strategy on a paper trading for like some time in case if you want to see out of this. So once you deploy the strategy, as I mentioned in retail plan, you will be able to test, or you can deploy 5 strategy either on a live auto or a paper trading or any preference execution that you want. And once you do that, you can identify which strategy you want to go live with out of that 5, and then you can start with that. So that is also one of the option that one can decide on that. All right. So what I'll do right now, I'll stop the screen share and I'll ask Mr. Akshay Pai to demonstrate how one can create a strategy, so that if anyone wants to create a strategy, and also he will also share some of the resources available where you can get a help in terms of strategy templates or the videos. So he'll share that as well. So I'll just stop the screen share right now. Yeah, Akshay, I think I've made you as host. So you can also record a session at your end if you want. Akshay, we cannot hear you.
Okay, am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible.
Yes, great. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Perfect. So, hello everyone. What I'll be covering is how to create the strategies on TradeTron. So let us go step by step here. I'll also be sharing certain reading material with you guys so that it will make it very easy. Okay, we'll go a bit slower here so that everybody should be very clear on how to do this. Okay. So let me just confirm one more time. I'm audible and my screen is visible, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, so once the first time when you log into TradeTron, you will be introduced with the dashboard. Okay, this is not where we have anything to do right now. So the first place we go is and click on strategies and click on create. The create button is which will take you to create your strategy. All right. So before we move on how to create the strategy, let me just introduce you to the sections here. The strategy creation page is actually divided into 4 sections. Okay. The first section is where you will give the information about the strategy. You will make your notes. You will give the description, what you have made, what are the conditions. Either it is for your own reference, or if you tomorrow want to put it on the marketplace and if you want somebody else to read it, you can put it in the description section. The name is of course where you will write the name of the strategy, and the tags is what you will give. It has absolutely nothing to do with the execution part. It is only. Hello?
Sorry. Akshay, sorry. ये जो screen है ना आपका, it's not visible properly. That means it's the letters is very small. Can you make it a little big?
No, I've intentionally made it small. I'll make it. I'll zoom it in again.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So the first section is the name. Second is the tags. Tags is nothing but makes it easier for people to search your strategy. That's it. So this is the first section. So this is the first section, which is the strategy info part. This is section number 1. where you give the description, you give the name, and you give the tags to your strategy. The second section is where you actually make the conditions or you build your logic. We'll come to this at the very end, okay? Because it has its own subsections, so we'll go through it one by one. The third is the advanced settings. Now, once you build your logic, everything is set. The advanced settings is where you will tell the system how it has to be executed. Each option in this advanced settings section will have some kind of an action over the logic execution. Now, I will not go through each and every option here because I have well documented this, and I will be sharing this particular link with you also on how to which particular option does what. Okay, at the very end, I'll share these links with you. So coming back to this, the advanced settings is where you will set the parameters so that you can have a complete control over the execution of your logic. The last section is the marketplace settings. This too is well documented here, for which I will also share the link with you. It has to be, where did it go? Yeah, here it is. So this is the market. So the marketplace settings is something which is very important for PM plan users who want to make their strategy, put it on marketplace, or not put it on marketplace, but want to share it with private users, things like that. How the variable fee is supposed to be calculated monthly, quarterly, yearly, depending on what requirement you have. Okay, so these two parts, the advanced settings and the marketplace settings, we're not going to discuss. If you have questions, I'll certainly answer them. But this is well documented here. I'll share the link with you at the very end. But the most important part is the condition builder, this section. Okay. Now, the condition builder, let us concentrate on this part itself. It itself is divided into actually 3 sections. The first is where you build your logic to make an entry. So this is this particular section till here. That's it. Till here is where you build your logic for the entry conditions. Now, once this particular block becomes true is when the position block is triggered, where your positions which you define, I'll show you everything. Once whatever position that you will define will be triggered. And last is the exit block. So whenever an exit condition, whatever logic that you have defined gets true, it will close all the open positions existing in the strategy. Now, within these 3 sections itself, there are other sections which are included, which you may choose to use or not to use. The one very important one is the repair part. You can click on add and it will add a repair condition here. A repair condition is very similar to entry. However, it will only trigger after an entry has happened. So this particular condition block is something that you can imagine like an if condition. So when you have already taken an entry position, and if you want to add to that entry position and or modify to that entry position is when you use a repair condition, because your entry and your exit throughout a life cycle of a trade cycle will execute only once, whereas a repair can be triggered as many times as you want. So it can be you can force it to trigger only once, or you can force it to trigger as many times as you want. Okay, so a well documented video is already available on YouTube channel. Let me just show you. On how to use the repair and repair continuous. I have also well documented written blog on it. I'll share the links with you for this. So this is the repair continuous range breakout. We'll get to this later on. Now in this particular condition builder also, you may say that, I want to restrict my one particular position and then I want my other conditions to be triggered separately. So there is an option here which is called as an add new set. So you can click on add new set and you'll have one more set where you can have opposite, a logic for an opposite signal. Okay. And then the universal set, universal exit will be separated, which will close at the same time at the end of it, all the open position across all the sets. A set will have its own individual exit as well as an universal exit. If a control from entry to exit happens, the control goes back to entry. But an
Akshay, sorry to interrupt. Can you just check your message once? this chat.
No, Dinesh, I'm not getting any chats.
Just go on top, you will see chat. On top, you will see the option of chat.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Yeah. So let us move on. So sets I have narrated, and the entry condition, the exit condition, the position builder is here, and so let us build our first condition. Okay. Okay. Sorry. One last thing that I wanted to mention here also. There is also a list here, which you can select. If you have multiple instruments to be triggered in any of your strategies, you can create a list from here by clicking add. Let's say if I mention a list name called as test, and then I can choose my exchange, keep on adding my underline. And this particular list you can select now, and your algo or your logic will go through each and every instrument that is defined in your list. Okay. So now to build your logic, the first thing is to go to your entry condition. Click on add, it will open the condition builder, and this is where you will build your logic. Now, let us build a logic. Let's say I want to take an entry position when the close price of a 5-minute candle crosses the SMA of the same instrument. Okay. So how will I build this? So first I'll take the position keyword. The position keyword is like a candle selector. So if you go to the keywords file, which I will share again at the end of it, this will help you choose which technical indicator that you want to choose. I have well documented everything in this. The position keyword is what will help you choose which candle value that you want to choose from the current candle, current ongoing candle, and which OHLC value. So let's say if I select close here and I want to select close from the previous candle. So for previous, I'll select it as -1. And I now will have to also give it which instrument close value that it has to pull. So
Akshay,
yeah.
Let us do one thing, because let us focus more on deploying the strategies, and people who are interested in making the strategies, I will connect to you directly to them, so that let us not disturb the quorum right now, because we have more traders on the platform right now than the programmers or people who are interested in building the strategy.
Yeah. Okay.
Fair enough. Fair
Yeah.
enough.
So what we can do is,
I'll
let's
connect you. The people who are interested in creating the strategy of their own, I'll connect to you directly. So hence what we can understand from Akshay's point of view is this software is feasible enough in making us our own strategy. If we have our plan, something, it's very easy. You don't have to do some coding or something. It's very simple to make strategies as well. And another better option is people who have already built their strategies, we can deploy those strategies for our trading purpose. So which can be done on the everyday basis. So Dineshji, please, I have few doubts which I think we can have just as a kind of discussion.
Yeah. Sure.
My doubt was, do a user have to log in every day, or it's just like once I have authenticated, my job is done. Like every day it's going to happen automatically, or I have to come and log in every day? What is the scenario? And what happens to my position? Suppose if I don't have funds in my account, it is get rejected. How your system will come to know of my rejected position? So can you please put some light on those areas?
Sure. Akshay, can you just go to broker and exchange? Okay, just give me the screen share. I'll just take it ahead from there. You have to make me as a host.
Yeah.
Okay, so so everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So all you have to do is, so first question, like whether you have to log in on a daily basis. So we have given this message over here that Buzzer expects the user to log in here every day to renew the API token. If not done, the trades will get rejected. So it is important that the user will everyday basis they have to click on this link, and that token will be valid for the entire day. In that case, they don't have to keep clicking renewing their token for that. And also you will see the last updated over here. So whenever you click on this, that means that point of time it will show the when the token is generated. So it will show you the time as well. So once you have to click on this link for getting the token for the entire day authentication. Now, let's say if the trades for some reason, like for because of the RMS or because of the API related or any other XYZ reason, if the trade gets into error execution. So I'll just show you. So we have this all the status type. So whenever the trade is not executed at a broker level, you will get an error execution. And next to that, you will get an option of manage. So when you click on manage, you are getting a three option. One is try again, one is cancel, and the third is completed manually. So when you click on try again, let's say the amount was not there was insufficient amount, and you have refilled your account at Buzzer, and then you have clicked on try again. So it will attempt that trade again. Let's say if you want to you have manually managed it and you don't want that signal to be to be taken after the position has been entered, and the exit signal is there, and that has resulted in some of the error execution due to API failure or anything like that, any reason. So you can manage it manually and you can just cancel it from here. So this is how you can manage it on the error execution. And also not only that, we ensure that from TradeTron for error execution, we send you the details on WhatsApp for the any of the or the notification whatever you enable, so user can intervene that point of time and take the control. So I hope I have answered your question, Basanji.
Yes.
Right. So this is how it is. And as I mentioned again prior to this, that in order to start with this particular platform, I'll just show it once again that how you can make use of this particular platform at the same time without any cost involved in that. So all first you have to do thing is you have to go to the buzzononline.com. In order to get this free 1000 rupees subscription of TradeTron, these are the criteria. Please ensure that you follow this step. You have to open an account in case if you haven't opened yet. Once your account is open, you have to click over here on login and click on this TradeTron algo. When you click on TradeTron algo, so when you click on TradeTron algo, you have to click on sign up and then you have to create your ID. Once you have both the things, these two criteria met, so you will get free API also from Buzzer. You will get a free account and you will get free TradeTron subscription for first month. All this you are getting without any investment, and you can test the strategy. Once you are able to do that, you can just approach the Buzzer team and they will give you the coupon for subscription. So on how you can subscribe to the TradeTron platform is once you have created a strategy. So once you have created your sign up account with TradeTron, then you have to log in. And you have to go to the bottom of the page. You have to click on this pricing. Then you have to select this retail plan. You have to just click on this choose plan, this you will get choose plan over there because this is already having, and you will be given a code over here. So you can just type any of the code and click on apply the code that you will be given by the Bussin team. And once you do that, you will get a subscribe option. So you have to just click on subscribe and it will be subscribed. So this is that simple. And then you can go to the marketplace and subscribe to the strategies as per your after your studies. And also you can check the top five strategy, deploy on a paper trading or a live offline mode and see how the performance is for the few days, and then you can take it live. So all that you can decide on that. And also anyone who is interested for the strategy creating by themselves, though you have already this many resources available. So you can go to the strategy templates. You can check our blogs. You can check our videos. You can also reach out directly to our support at Tradetron.tech with your requirement, and we'll let you know how much in case if you want us to create a strategy. So there are many ways that you can get algo related execution in your account. So any question you have, sir, that you want us to address to your clients?
Thanks, Dinesh. I think you are pretty much clear on all the aspects of the area. I think for initiating and this thing, like as the strategy has mentioned, like let us just talk a little bit more on the strategy part. If you can just come to that screen, strategy.
Yes.
Now, one of the strategies says like minimum capital required is like 25K. So 25K means like the client has to have the clear balance for 25,000 for one lot, or it's like what is for like what 25K denotes for what?
Okay, so what happens, now one has to read the description over here. Now the creator has mentioned that as per some other brokers who are giving the competitive margin, there is that kind of amount. But you have to understand, let's say this particular strategy is going to take trades on a bank nifty option on the call and put. So what is the margin required? So you can, if for any clarity on what the strategy is all about, how many position it takes in an intraday, you have to just approach the strategy creator. Or the best thing is if the strategy is also like this is strategy which is available for free, you can deploy the strategy and see how much on a paper trading and see how much lots or any on a default basis how much quantity is taking, and evaluate that how much margin it is required at Bussin to execute that leg. Let's say if there are 2 legs or 3 legs, or only call option and put option short is there, so how much margin is involved. Based on that, you have to keep that margin. So what I request you all, don't go with this information that you have seeing over here. You please ask your the strategy creator, or you can subscribe on a paper trading initially and see how much the capital is required in Bussin for taking those trades. So once that is done, then you can keep that amount and you can easily subscribe to the strategy. As I mentioned, subscribing to the strategy is very simple. It's just 3 clicks and you're taking live all the executions. So starting Monday itself, sorry. Yeah.
So what we understood is it is about the multiplier. Some brokers may give 5 times of the multiplier. So the position might require 1 lakh rupees of margin, but because you're considering 4 times as a multiplier been given, because the trade is executed on the intraday basis, it's been divided by 4 and 25,000 is derived for that number. So it may vary from broker to broker. But that's an approximate number of 25,000. What is amount of basically been expected, right?
Yeah, so as I mentioned, see, for a particular execution, let's say if you have the execution of a call and put option, and the margin required for that is, let's say, 45,000 or 50,000 or 30,000, whatever the margin is that point of time. So trader has to keep that. So when they understand that when they deploy as a 1x multiplier, that means that they are deploying whatever the set default quantity by the strategy creator. Now, when you read out on this particular, let's say if I click on this, in this they have mentioned that it is a 1x multiplier. That means they are doing as a 1 lot. And you can see over here, the description over here, the capital required. So the algo has maximum 2 lot bank nifty short option. So you can calculate for 2 lot bank nifty short option how much at Basan how much capital is required if there is a call option short and put option short simultaneously. So how much capital is required? Based on that, you have to decide on that how much capital. It is not based on the multiplier. So the multiplier is any which way is 1x. Let's say if the trader want to deploy 2 times or 3 times, in that case, it will be whatever the margin requirement at your broker end multiplied by what multiplier you have chosen. If you're 3 times, 4 times, then you have to keep that, maintain that kind of the amount in your account. Otherwise, it will go in a error execution because the broker will reject that order. So when you deploy this strategy, also understand how much margin required at a person for taking those execution in your account.
Dinesh, what happens to the stop loss and the target price when it is achieved? Like the stop loss and the target price, it has been even that is been traded automatically.
Exactly. So whatever the logic, as per the logic which is set by the strategy creator, whenever those things are true, it will automatically take the exit and it will manage the position. So I'll tell you the very superb example for you. Now every one of us like know what has been the market in the month of August and also in the starting of from the September itself, and it has been very it is non-directional and there is no clear idea on that. Even in that kind of scenario, this particular strategy has been able to, like, it has started from on the 1st of August, and you can see the kind of the management of risk. It's not just about return, but when the situation is not in the favor, it has been able to manage the risk properly. So you will find plenty of such strategies on our marketplace where you can actually have a very good strategies, and you can allocate your money among different strategies. So you have as a portfolio, how we have the stocks, portfolio stocks. Similarly, you can have a portfolio of these strategies, which are some of the non-correlated, like some are on a non-directional these strategies, some are on a trending strategies. So once you have the combination of both, you have covered almost 80 to 90% of the market movement, and that is what a trader needs end of the day. So this is very important to understand. It is not just about the target stop loss, but it is also like it is able to manage the risk management so efficiently. So whenever things have been happened the situation where the situation has not been in the favor of the strategy, it has been able to, you can see, is a max 3 or 3.2 kind of loss it has occurred. Otherwise, on a good day, it has been able to make the maximum out of that. So definitely, it will be a very good value addition for most of all the traders. And all you need is to invest some time, because the monetary part has been taken care by the Basan for the initial 1 month. So all you need is to give time and understand this platform. And we have ample of resources available. We also conduct webinar every Friday on our platform. So if you still not clear on how to go about understand on other things, you can register on this link on webinar, and you can keep attending every Friday till you get all your doubts cleared, and we'll be happy to assist. You can also write to us on support@traderon.tech. We'll be happy to assist on that as well.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I request participants, attendees to just ask few questions if they have anything as such regarding the content that has been shown by Dinesh.
Yeah, so if there is any question, please feel free to ask. So they've got one question that asking that how about trading deep ITM options through TT Algo? So you can trade ITM options. Let's as I mentioned that TradeTron is an execution platform. So whatever the strike price, let's say if you want to mention in the money by 5 strikes, 6 strikes. So let's say at the money is 22,400, for example, and you want in the money by 8 times. So let's say it wants to go by 21,600. So you can define those parameters, and if the broker allows that execution, then it will go through. So you have that option, and you can definitely deep in the money options if if that execution from our side, the trades will be fired to the broker platform, and from there, if it gets properly accepted, or that broker allows that kind of the execution in those strikes, then it will get traded. Yes, Mr. Brother, Patreon is free for 1 month. If you are meeting the criteria that we have mentioned, that you should have the account with Basan, and also you need to sign up using their link. Once these two things happen, you can approach the Basan team, and they can share the 1 month coupon for you. So we are getting one question from Mr. Hussein Sharif. So see, the thing is, SL and target points, it all depends on which strategy that you are subscribing to. If you are subscribing to the strategy and you do want to know what is the reward for that and what is the risk for that, the best knowledge that you will get is from the strategy creator itself. So what I request you, as I mentioned, how you can reach to strategy creator, you can just click on that message icon and you can ask your questions. And once it is clarified, then you can make the strategy either on a paper trading initially or make directly live as per your comfort. Yes, it is possible to create indicator based on strategies like MACD and moving averages. Very simple, and you yourself can create it. As I mentioned, we have ample of resources. You can just go to the strategy template over here. This is a strategy template, and also you can check our videos on YouTube channel. So I'll just show you. So on a YouTube channel also you can go ahead and check. So there's plenty of videos, and we are doing like conducting these videos every Friday, and we are uploading the whatever the content that we have shared in the webinar. So it will be easy for you to create by yourself. But in case if you still find difficulty, you can reach us. As of now, Basan don't have any inbuilt strategy in Tradetron. You can check with their team. If they have some strategies for you, they can definitely let you know.
Sure.
Yeah, you're welcome. So we have got one more question here. Kindly give 1 minute to understand. Yes, definitely, Mr. Mehra. You can take your time. And as I mentioned, we also have a platform demo available on our YouTube channel. So if any of this thing is yet not clear, we have ample of materials available for any user to understand this very properly. So you can check this demo videos. We have also in Hindi if anyone wants to know in Hindi as well. And
regarding charges, I think one of the attendees are asking some question. So charges, let me just tell you, Mr. Vandaranjan. Charges, Tradetron is actually a platform which is giving their algo strategies. They have their own charges. And Basan, as a broker, we are giving a platform to do the trading. So basically, the brokerage is a separate part. Now, the charges for the strategy, they are being charging 1,000 rupees per month for providing the algo strategies. So what they are been charging as the tie-up with Tradetron, what we are doing is we have a purchase in bulk from the Tradetron, and we are just giving to our clients who are interested in taking as a complimentary and as a freebies for the first month, so that they can understand the strategy and go on the live market. So 1,000 rupees, if you're going directly for some other broker with a Tradetron, maybe they'll be charging 1,000 rupees to you. Just because as you are coming to us, we have been providing as our welcome gift for the combination of this this new algorithm system in our system. Yeah, please, Dinesh, please continue.
Yes. So yes, so this is I mean, like as I mentioned that it's very like you might take some time, but definitely you can. There's no downside for this, and you can straight away take the algo. So the one to make things very easy for you, you can also check the strategy which has been deployed on a maximum. You can initially to start with, and then you can browse to all the strategies over a weekend, and you can understand which strategy is dealing with what. Because all it takes is once you decide which strategy that you want to make it live, then all other things is easily available. Like getting the API which the person is providing for free, then account is free, and the first month subscription is free. So once you're ready, then like you all can participate in and take that benefit of this, and you can immediately you can start. All right. So is there any question that?
Regarding API, I just want to clear, Mr. Dinesh ji.
Yes.
Usually the API is a API has been provided by us to the Tradetron. Like I have been seeing some other brokers who have been actually they charge for providing the API, and as a complementary and as a initial that we need to just boost up the system. Even the API we are providing it for free. We are not charging anything for the API to give it to the customers. So API from our is also a part of our coming up package only. So that is also we are not charging anything for the API. So it's part and parcel of the our account opening process itself.
Right. Okay, so we are not getting any further questions from the participants, and
Yeah, I think Dinesh, we can conclude, and whatever the inputs and feedbacks we are getting, we'll take one-to-one with each and every one of them, and we'll go ahead with the live possibly from Monday itself. No problem. Thank you.
sure.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for joining in, and have a wonderful weekend ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.